Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says that two canoes are 10 meters apart on a lake. Now each bobs up and down with a period of 4 seconds. Okay. When one canoe is at its highest point, the other canoe is at its lowest point. मतलब जब एक अपने highest point पे होता है तो दूसरा क्या होगा, उसके lowest point पे रहेगा. When both the canoes are always within a single cycle of waves, determine the speed of the wave. ठीक है. So let's start. यहाँ क्या बोला गया है, when one canoe is at its highest point, the other canoe is at its lowest point. So let us assume, and they are always within the single cycle of waves. So let's say, तो जब एक कैनो यहाँ पे रहेगा at its highest point, तो दूसरा कैनोय विल बी एट इट्स लोवेस्ट पॉइंट. ठीक है. और इन दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस हमको बोला गया है, दे आर 10 मीटर अपार्ट, सो दैट इज 10. ओके. और t क्या दिया गया है, t इज गिवन टू अस एज 4 सेकेंड्स. अब आप यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली, सिंस हाफ ऑसिलेशन इज ओनली कंप्लीट, सो उस केस में हमारा डिस्प्लेसमेंट d what will be the value of d. देखो ऑसिलेशन फुल तो हो नहीं रहा, ऑसिलेशन हाफ हो रहा है, तो d will be lambda by 2. करेक्ट. और यहाँ पे if you try to calculate the value of lambda, see therefore lambda is nothing but d into 2. ठीक है. so d का वैल्यू हमें पता है 10 into 2, that is 20. this is the value of lambda. और हमें ढूंढना क्या है, we are supposed to find the velocity of the speed of the wave, right? so can we write that v is equal to f lambda. f क्या है हमारा, 4 seconds दिया गया है हमको. ठीक है. so this is not t, this is the value of f. okay. so f is 1/4 hertz into lambda का value we just calculated, that is 20. so that will give us the value as 5 meter per second as our final answer. ठीक है. so option number B, 5 meter per second is the final solution. so I hope you all have understood the concept. All the best.